Hello dear students, today we are going to understand what is interest, how we can calculate simple interest and compound interest. So let's start. What is interest? It is the extra money paid by institutions like banks or post offices on money deposited with them. So interest we can calculate in two ways. Interest can be simple interest or compound interest, and compound interest further can be calculated annually or half yearly. So now we will understand the formulas of simple interest and compound interest. So simple interest formula is P multiply R multiply T upon 100, where P is principal, R is rate of interest and T is time. Now compound interest, it is calculated on previous year amount. And how we calculate amount? Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Now we will understand how to find compound interest. So the formula for finding out compound interest is, there are two formulas. When interest is compounded annually or yearly, then the formula of finding out amount is P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised per n, and the compound interest will be amount minus principal. And when interest is compounded half yearly, then the formula for amount is P bracket 1 plus R upon 200. Students, please note down here R upon 200 and the raised power is 2n. And the compound interest will be amount minus principal, where A is the amount, P is the principal, R is rate of interest and n is number of years. Now we will apply these formulas in the questions. So I am going to explain question first, A part of exercise 8.3. The question is calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 10,800 for 3 years at 12.1/2% per annum compounded annually. And the formula for amount when compounded annually is P 1 plus R upon 100 raised per n. So this is our principal, this is time, that is the value of n, 3 years, and it is rate of interest 12 1/2, that is 25/2% per annum. Now we will keep all these three values in this formula. So I substituted the value of principal, rate of interest, it is 25/2 and n was 3. So now here we can observe 25 ones are, 25 fours are. Now it is 1 plus 1 upon 8. I will take LCM. So LCM will be 8. Here I will get 8 plus 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Now I am getting 10,800. Multiply 9 by 8 raised per 3. So I can write it 9 by 8, multiply 9 by 8, multiply 9 8. After calculating this, we will get the amount. Now we want to find out amount and compound interest in this question. So after getting amount, we can calculate compound interest by subtracting principal from the amount. So this is amount, this is principal. When we will subtract, we will get compound interest, that is 4,577.34 rupees. Now let's understand question first, D part of exercise 8.3, that is the question related with compounded half yearly. Question is calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 8,000 for 1 year at 9% per annum. So here 8,000 is the principal, n is 1 year and the rate of interest is 9% per annum. Now first of all we will find out amount compounded half yearly, then the formula is P bracket 1 plus R upon 200 raised per 2n. So here I will keep the value of P, R and n. N was 1, it is 2n, so it will be 2 multiply 1. Now I am getting 8,000 in bracket 1 plus 9 by 200. So here I'll take LCM. LCM will be 200. So in numerator we will get 200 plus 9, that is 209. Raised power 2 it is. So what we can write, 8,000 multiply 209 upon 200 multiply 209 upon 200. So here these three zeros gets cancelled with these three zeros. So we will get 8 multiply 209 upon 20. After simplification we will get the amount is 8736.20. We want to find out amount as well as compound interest, and the formula for compound interest is amount minus principal. This is amount, 8,000 was principal. When we will subtract, we will get the compound interest, that is rupees 736.20.